What? What do you guys want? Huh? What do you want? What do you want? What? Where's my babies? Where's my babies? Nuts. Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? Good morning. Quick little update on my truck is I am done. Well, almost done. I got all the lines ran. I got them all tightened down. Got the rubber hose on them, clamped down. So yeah, now I'm just gonna pressure wash everything off, make sure there's no brake fluid on anything. I'm going to try to get as much rust off as I can. Just going to give it a good undercarriage cleaning. So I'll bring you along with that. But I'll just give you a look at what I did. It's nothing fancy. It's kind of, it's kind of redneck, rigged. Zip ties. Yeah, I know a lot of you are saying don't use zip ties. I get it. This is a beater truck, aka my winter truck. So not going to do all that on it. So here's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see that. Zip tied some lines there because they were touching. So put some rubber around them and it'll hold up. Not forever, but for a while. Show you what I did underneath. Had to make a union right there. Put rubber lines so it's not hitting the body of the truck. And then it wraps around to the ABS box. I'm not sure if you can see anything under there. But also put lines back under here. And I did the front. Pretty much anywhere you can think of. I did it. I'll show you what it looks like underneath. There's the line. And like I said, wherever I needed it, needed rubber was touching metal, I put it on there and zip tied it on. So hopefully that works. If not, oh well, just keep patching her up. Another reason why I need a new truck. I don't know if you guys can see all this rust like I was showing you earlier. It's just, that's really bad right there because I've pressure washed it so many times, but underneath is pretty bad. You can just see it just starting to bubble up. Nuts, bolts, everything all corroded and rusted. So that's what I'm dealing with. See you in a second while I'm washing it.
What we do here is go back.
test drive. Just got the brakes done. They're still feeling kind of soft. Excuse my loud exhaust. Well, my non-existent exhaust. But yeah, just giving it a little test drive, seeing how it stops. Seems to stop pretty good. Not quite like it used to. I think that's just because there still might be some air in the line, but hopefully I won't ever have to do this again on this truck. Hopefully. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video on my 04 Chevy Silverado 1500 4x4. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I know there's going to be more coming. So just pulling in right now. Went on a little test ride. Annoying seatbelt, but so that concludes this video. Hope you kind of got an idea of what I kind of go through with my truck and all the rust I have to deal with, and things of that nature. Like I said, it is my baby. I love this truck. She keeps breaking, I'll just keep fixing her. So thank you for watching. Comment below if you have anything to say, anything you want to see. Hit the subscribe button and like my video, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, yuck. Hurts me to watch. Look at this. Jesus. Just gonna tuck that back in. Hopefully it holds for a little bit longer. But golly. I just saw that after coming back from testing out the brakes again. Oh my goodness. Oh well. Comes with the territory. Just crumbles. Oh, I'm gonna try to throw this away.